guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Team
Zulueta.
If you are just new to our channel, don't forget to
Like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell for
Future videos.
Guys, welcome to International Melbourne Flower and Garden Show 2022. For this vlog, we will give you some ideas on how to landscape
your garden.
Yes, from fancy landscapes to achievable landscapes. Yes, meaning achievable, you can do it yourself. Yeah. So, come and join us for this adventure. Let's have a look. So now we are in the Achievable Gardens. These are small gardens that you can easily achieve by doing it by yourself. So it's like DIY garden. So come, let's have a look. So ayan guys, naglagay siya ng stacker ng woods in here, and then just buy the small fire pit. Just a small sitting area. Oh, and then it looks lovely. Next one is the children's nature playscape. So it's a little haven for your little ones. So come, let's have a look and have an idea on what are we going to do to our garden. So the next garden that we are going to achieve in our home is the by fire garden. Ayan. And it has an outdoor tub, a mini one for you to relax. Come, let's take a look. Next is the balance by nature, and it's simple yet looks good. And the Excellence Award for this garden show goes to the Reframed Garden. So come, let's have a look. This one guys, so beautiful. Just a small space, turning it into something beautiful. Actually, your small balcony can be turned into this. Look, so pretty. You can chill. Yes. So the next garden that we will be showing you is the closed loop sustainability garden. Closed loop meaning, ayan, it is being enclosed by plants, diba? And the good thing about this garden is that everything is edible. We have olives here, o diba, ang sosyal. And aside from that, we have chili. They are so big, but they look beautiful. They look like a flower or a flower because it's red, diba? Ang ganda. And for the floor, they have used the lightweight concrete, diba? And then you can have a picnic table, and it's raining now. Hi guys! So the next landscape that we will be showing you was designed by Steve Day. It is called as the Resilience Show Garden, but it was constructed by Outer East Landscape Contractors. Ayan. So let's come and take a look. As you can see guys, different plants combined together would make a big or huge difference in your landscape. Sobrang ganda. If you have a bigger backyard, maybe you can have this design. It is called the Apertura, and this was designed by Vivid Design. So come, take a look, pang sosyal! The next garden would be the intimate garden designed by Renee Reiter. It's an intimate garden maybe because it's just a small space where you can gather with your friends, family, where you could spend time together. This is the designer, ayan, si Renee. Say hi to Renee. So next is the coming soon garden because it's just coming soon. Ayan. So kung meron kang lumang bahay, pwede mo pala siyang gawing landscape. Isn't it so resourceful? Yes. So come and take a look. As you can see, it's a broken house that has turned into something beautiful. Just like your relationship. If it's broken now, it'll become beautiful soon. Just like me. Next is the Elements designed by Alison Douglas. It is called as the Elements Garden because it has different elements. It has fire, wood, rock, water, all of the elements. Yes, they are all in here. It is so fancy. Come and take a look. The next garden that I'm going to show to you is where we are going to get married on our 10th anniversary. 10th talaga. Let's go. Come, take a look at it. So beautiful and so nakaka-in-love. Next would be the Mediterranean Garden. Pang palasyo mga besh, pang sosyal. Halina sa aking palasyo. Let's go! Mediterranean Garden. Ganda, di ba? Wait, sa Mediterranean Garden, there is eggplant. Iba, mga palasyo may pa-eggplant. Next is the edible garden. Guys, never in my life I could have imagined that we could have this edible garden in our garden with this lovely arrangement. Let's go! Got lemons in here, and then you've got basil in here. Wow, gala, galing-galing ko. You have, I don't know what's this. And that is the capsicum. We have this lettuce and chili and parsley and tomato and corn. Oh, lots! There are lots, but they were arranged beautifully. There you have it, guys. So we're done touring around this place. It's all about garden and flowers. And maraming nagbebenta, maraming, basta marami, may nagbe-paint, everything you will, yeah, next year. next year, go here. Yeah, there are also family activities.
Activities,
Yes,
yes.
aside from those things that we have shown. But then, yeah, we were inspired when we saw all of the
Yes.
landscape. Parang, see, in one of those landscape, di ba, the edible one, that's my
Yes,
favorite.
The,
Edible garden.
yes, the edible garden.
Yes, because isn't it?
Just like a
We
trip.
thought if you have a landscape, it's just all full of plants
Fancy
and
things.
fancy things and flowers, beautiful things.
But you can make the
Yes.
edible plants beautiful in your garden landscape.
Correct. And then you can eat them after. That's the beautiful thing. Kasi sa bahay namin, on the side
Yes.
is edible lahat talaga. Pero we don't know how to make it beautiful.
Yeah.
But now we know how to make it beautiful. So hopefully we can do it by ourselves and then we will show it to you guys one day. And yeah, family bonding may dumaan. Okay guys, ayan. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed our vlog and I hope you will apply it to your beautiful houses in your backyard, ayan, in your garden, ayan. So till next time, again, this is Team Dulueta. Don't forget to
Like,
Subscribe.
and hit the notification bell for future
Future videos.
videos. Bye!